Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your website with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your website with Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select security from the menu options available. Ensure that your account has two-step authentication enabled. Click on two-step authentication and follow the prompts to set it up. Next, review your password strength. Make sure your password is unique and consists of a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now, let's address your domain security. To secure your domain, go to the online store section and select Domains. Check if your domain is marked as secured with an SSL certificate. SSL certificates encrypt data sent to and from your website, enhancing security. If your domain is not secured, follow the instructions to enable SSL. Once SSL is active, ensure all your pages are accessed via HTTPS. This is indicated by a padlock symbol in the address bar of the browser. Next, install Shopify. Explore apps that offer functionalities such as spam prevention. Regularly update your apps and themes to the latest versions. Develop a habit of creating regular backups of your website data. Utilize Shopify's built-in backup options or consider third-party solutions. Check for security updates provided by Shopify and apply them promptly. Monitor your website for unusual activities or unauthorized access. Consider investing in a comprehensive security review or audit. Establish a clear policy for user permissions and limit access where necessary. Educate your staff about phishing scams and safe browsing practices. Finally, stay informed about the latest security threats and best practices. With these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Shopify website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.